Hey guys, my name is Maurice. I am from Germany. We're selling on the German Amazon marketplace, and you're basically in the supplement in cosmetics niche. And we had issues with maintaining our organic rankings, especially in the beauty area, just by using PPC and the organic sales alone. So I knew I had to change something, and I reached out to Zan and his team after I saw a Facebook ad from them, and they offered me to increase the organic sales by using Facebook ads or in general external traffic, but in our case it was Facebook ads. And I was a bit skeptical at first because I've never done that before. And when the situation is that you decrease in your organic rankings and you decrease in your revenue, money gets tight. So it was a hard decision, but we did it, and we are into a service approximately 40 days right now, and we increased our revenue by almost 100%. So, and the organic rankings as well. So we have fewer PPC costs on Amazon, just because we are getting more organic sales. And the best thing is that the Facebook ads they are doing for us are profitable from day 3 on. So the first 3 days they tested, and right after that the service was profitable right away. And so they helped us a lot, and we will maintain with the service. And it's a nice competitive edge right now, because we are outranking all of our competitors and selling way more and are more profitable than we were before. So it's a great service. I could really recommend the service to any seller who's struggling with organic rankings right now. And thanks again, Zen, and your entire team. Thanks from Germany. Have a nice time. Bye.